In this video, we'll show you how to create a new landing page using the Bullet Notion website builder with Weeby UI's Notion components. If you're a free user, you don't need to apply any default styles. These are already included for you. But if you're a paid user, you'll need to copy and paste our default styles into your bullet code section. We provide clear instructions for this on the components page. Now, let's create a new landing page. I already have a site where I've applied all the default styles. This is that page with the styles already active. Let's create a new site for Bullet. I'll copy and paste my Bullet site URL into the live preview page. You'll see your Bullet site rendering here in the live preview. Next, click the Theme section. This will display all the Weeby UI components present on your page. The list will reflect the exact number of components you have included. Click Apply All Theme. Now you'll see all Weeby UI components applied to your site, with the full styling in place. We also offer a padding and margin control. This lets you adjust the spacing between each Weeby UI component exactly how you want it. Once you've finished making changes, click Save. This will store all your customized code in the code section. Click Code to see all your generated code ready to copy. Copy the CSS and paste it into your Bullet site's CSS section. Save and publish your site. That's it. Your site will now display all Weeby UI components with a professional look. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or reach out to our support team.